this video, I'll show you how you can fix your microphone not working in Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to log into your account on roblox.com. From in here, go to settings, and in here, go to privacy. Now down here, you should be able to see your microphone. On my screen, you can see there's not a microphone, there's only a camera. And if you cannot find your microphone in here and allow it, what you need to do is you need to hit up again and go to account info and verify your phone number. Now, if you verify your phone number, they will add under privacy, they will add your microphone that you can enable. So simply verify your phone number and keep in mind that for some reason, some countries, when you verify phone number, do not have the option available. So if you're in the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, any of these places, simply adding the phone number will be enough. Now, if for some reason it doesn't work when you add your phone number, what you can do is you can use a VPN and create a new account. So activate a VPN, create a new account and choose like United States or Germany or something. And once you've done that and your account location is set to one of those, when you head to privacy, you should be able to see the microphone in here and to enable it. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.